Hello everyone, welcome to our portal SWP COVID-19. That means Society Welfare Portal for COVID-19. Our tagline is helping mankind. Our main idea is all about making a common platform for the people who urgently need the item for the patient and the families suffering from this pandemic and donors who want to help the needy ones. They can help easily. Here we our features of our website, and by clicking this link you can simply see our presentation
Hello
on
everyone.
website. And here are some feature of our website. Then we have also a contact emergency contact helpline number. By clicking it you can directly contact to our help desk. And in the footer we have government and NGOs links. We have also WHO and other websites link who are helping society in this pandemic. The person who want to donate, they can simply click this button and can simply fill a basic form like I am filling here. Rahul Kumar, I will fill a phone number, and I will fill a simple address line. I will fill some pin code details. After that, yes, after that I will get the area and district details automatically. Stuff I want to donate, like I want to donate remdesivir injection, and my donation type is unpaid. And as I am not I have a donation type unpaid, so I don't need to put the price. And I am adding a remark: helping mankind. Just by posting this we have two fact OTP verification form. Here we have now not implemented yet our live OTP verification, so that here OTP is showing in the front of you people. But here we have seen donation added successfully, so we can see that donation in our donor people. Like here we can see 490011. And after clicking this, here region automatically selected. Then we can see this remdesivir Rahul Kumar, unpaid, helping mankind. All the details you can you can reach to Rahul Kumar directly, directly pushing that button, click call. And similarly we have seeker, we have request form. And seeker, you can also search the seeker by entering your pin code. Expand, we have same form button. In contact tab we have contact form. By filling some details you can directly contact us. And we have also a join community tag, where you can directly you can join our community by filling a simple Google form. And you can be a part of our community. So this is all our idea about this portal, where people who actually need some help, and the people who actually want to help someone, they can meet at a common platform and help each other and grow each other. And I wish we will surely become we will surely came out from this pandemic situation. And everything will be good at once a day. So thank you so much everyone.